Howdy folks, welcome to the channel. So we're going to work on putting the sides on the Deputy Commander today. As you can see, I already got 2 rows of boards put on there, and I'm going to see if I can get a couple more in before the sun goes down today. I'm using 5-inch bolts, either grade 8 or grade 5 depending on where I'm getting them from. I think the next batch I get, I'll get 4.5-inch bolts. These are a little long, but I'd rather have them too long than too short. ran out of nuts, but I can still set the rest of them and put the bolts through them. Then go get another box of nuts and finish them off. So it's beginning to rain, so I'm working a little bit more, nothing soaking, and we'll see how much I can get done today. I got one more level, 2 more boards to go. I used up every bolt they had at Ace Hardware, so I guess I'll go raid Lowe's or Home Depot. And again, I'm gonna use, these are 5-inch. The next box I get will be 4.5, and that should give me more than enough clearance on the outside or sticking out. But the Deputy Commander is coming along. The fella at the welding shop cut my bed short. Not quite 16 foot. It would have been nice. And I would have came out here, but we've been concerned about the hitch. And the bed sticking too far out to hook a trailer up to it. But that's more than enough. That extra foot still would have been enough clearance to get the trailer on there, but oh well. It's the way it goes sometimes. Thanks for coming to the channel and sticking around to the end of this video, but be sure to come on back, as like I said, I gotta finish up on building the sides, and then I'm gonna make some doors. So be on the lookout for those videos when I publish those. Catch you on the next one.